blood will beside me, reflecting a reason to kneel to the ghost. Transparency and reason, taken and forgotten in the sorting of life now crawling on me, becoming one with the social pariah. Swallow and before I swallow my pride, I am lost in failure. My desires can't transpire, and the hunger begun nailed. All that is left is my regret that I didn't kill you with me. You are the one who belongs here, feeding the needle that constricts my pain, leading me, chasing the anger, the discord, exploit the shame of this innocent being. Hide behind desire, fall into the wound. I was once alive, awakened by sanctity of a redolent smile. Struck down again, the dragon that keeps me enamored and trapped in my mind. Who belongs here, feeding the needles that constrict my veins, leading me, chasing the anger, this discord, exploit the shame of this innocent being. Hide behind desire, roll into the wound. Souls,